Our ship modeler is specialized in fine handcrafted ship models and custom builds. You can find us on Facebook at Handcrafted Wooden Historic Ship Models. The topic for this video will be the unboxing of the San Juan Nepomuceno from Artesina Latina. As you will see later on, I already separated all the little items inside the kit. Originally, there are only 4 boxes with these small cast parts and brush parts. Because I separated all the small items like dead eyes, rings, eye bolts, and belay pins. I have now 5 boxes. Dead eyes are ranging from 3.5 mm to 5 mm, blocks from 3, 4, single and double blocks. These are the cast parts from the transom and also the cover of the cannon loopholes. There are 4 different kinds of yarns and also different color. The sails are already sewn by hand and the lifeboat is a cast part. All the wooden parts are laser cut, different sizes and from different wood. Some are plywood, some are, I believe it's walnut and other parts. This is the main stand, sidings of the cannons. I believe it's some parts of the rudder. I don't know yet what's this. And also these small parts. These are parts of the bow section, parts of the hull planking, upper part, coming to the bulkheads, all made of plywood. Some more bulkheads with the bow section, the fourth keel. The other part of the fourth keel and more bulkheads. The rest of the bulkheads and also of the bow section and stern section. The rest of the bulkheads. The wooden dowels and straps I separated also. These are the dowels, I believe, for the mast. That's for the spears. More dowels. Wood for deck planking. That's the walnut wood to plank the hull. It's a plank on frame. And some more wood strips. There are also 4 brass bars, 2 by 2 millimeters, that we used for hand railings. I really don't know yet. The written instruction I separated also from the instruction with the pictures, so that it's easier to read. In the beginning there's something from the history and in 4 languages. All in all, there are 185 written steps. The instruction with the pictures and the first page, they also advise you what tools to use. All the pictures are in black and white, and as the same as the written instruction, also the picture instructions are going up to 185. After the instruction comes the parts list, 3 sheets with 501 different parts. I scanned all the parts list and enlarged them because they're written so small. There are also one sheet of new instruction because they made some improvements of the bow and the stern section. They changed some parts. So if you start to build, you have to look what's the change. Then comes the plans. All in all, there are 4 plans printed back to back. The first, number 1, is a nice drawing in black and white. On the back side, there is already some detailed drawing and also a top view. Then comes the second sheet. That's more about the masts and the spears. Actually, the sheet number 2, 3, and 4 is only, or not to say only, but mostly only for the rigging and the sailing and the masts. So number 2 is for the masts. Then comes plan number 3. That's going into the rigging of the boat. All in all, I have to say that a boat like this or a model kit like this is not suitable for beginners because the plans and the rigging are so complicated. So if you are a beginner, this is not advisable. So that's the last sheet, number 4, and on the front side, the last of the rigging. And as you can see, the plans of the sails, but you don't need this anymore because all the sails are already sewn. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. That way you get immediate update for our new videos that we are going to post every week.